Mix 200 grams sour cream and 2 eggs. Add 30 grams melted butter. Add 3 tablespoons brown sugar. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add 1 cup plain flour. Cut fruits for garnish. Add a little olive oil into a pan on low heat. Pour in your butter. Flip over. Repeat until butter is all used up. Arrange and garnish to make an attractive presentation. Pour golden syrup into each pancake. And don't forget to squirt on a little lemon juice. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.